Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm just covering up Jasmy price prediction, Japanese Bitcoin creating some kind of fake out so many times. I give you a warning. Yesterday I share all the detail what exactly going on in the Jasmy. A lot of people buying. The thing is it's reaching 170 again. Travis, look at the price. It's pumping crazy again, reaching 3 cent. Guys, this is a fake out. I'm just looking right now. Why I'm just thinking this is a fake out and not goes higher from this price point. First of all, look at the weekly time frame. The previous weekly time frame is squeezing the price massively down, and again it's squeezing the price again down because they're creating some kind of fake out in between. It was a 171 or 172, so you clearly see this thing in a 30-minute time frame. Look at this 30-minute time frame. It's showing some kind of uptrend. A lot of people's thinking, but I'm not thinking this is the uptrend. We see a mega downfall in a Jasmy. Somehow, if it didn't break this support, then it's totally bullish right now. So main thing is that it should need to be hold almost around 162, eventually 170. In between fluctuates so long. We're looking for Bitcoin is stable, then altcoin pumping crazy. So in between, if it fluctuate, if it hold a position one more days, eventually one more week, this is crazy insane. Then I'm just thinking this coin is ready to explode, reaching almost 3 cent every single day. Monitoring this coin, it's going crazy and understanding what exactly going on, how much pressure is present on it, selling or buying pressure. It already hit my stop loss, so I'm slightly disappointed. Why is just hitting my stop loss? Because that is the worst, and worst stop loss I put it. But I bought almost 182, also 170. It's not a big deal, so I didn't take any leverage. It's just in a spot trade. So I'm just waiting for 127, eventually 125, and a lot of people saying, Travis, this coin goes eventually more down, reaching almost around a 0.006. This is crazy insane. They're just laughing on me that when I just talk about like this. Someone very happy when they see this dump. They want to grab this token at the bottom, not at the 127 or 125 or 117 something, because previously it's bouncing back from 110. Look at this older history of Jasmy. What exactly am I talking about it? Look at this. It reaching this price point. So let's dive into the bigger time frame. You clearly see what exactly I'm talking about it, because the smaller time frame not giving the clear idea. But look at this coin creating some kind of support. It's reaching almost around 108, pumping crazy, 170, giving 50% pump, then dump it again, reaching almost 121, and you can see you can see clearly 10-point gap we see in a Jasmy. So this gap is hugely increased. So there is another support which is almost around 157. That is the reason why I told you guys it should need to be consolidated one more week. If we succeed to consolidate almost around 157, eventually 168, then I'm just thinking this coin is totally bullish right now. Japanese Bitcoin, a samurai sword, just cutting edges and just pumping crazy. So this coin is a highly volatile, and that is the reason why people making a tons of money, no matter 30%, eventually 40%, because there is no other coin just showing such kind of volatility. So people love it. Traders love these kind of things. So we are holders. So we're just grabbing a dip, sell it high. If it's downfall, so we grab it more. So there is always some kind of support, just like a support 1, support 2, support 3. So I guess there is a 2 support. The first one is 157, and the second one, which is almost around 132. In between, if it fluctuate, that is good. If it not, so this thing is worse for a Japanese Bitcoin. But this one is a Web3. This one is the crazy, merchant. This one is the first Japanese project is listed on US exchange Coinbase. Coinbase never ever list any kind of shady and shit token. They work very hard, and they are releasing their Web3, connecting with a lot of Web3 based project. Those who are dealing with the layer 1, layer 2 solutions. Crazy insane, because They know what they are doing. So at least this Japanese Bitcoin have the tremendous amount of caliber to pumping crazy, reaching almost $2, eventually $8. I'm just thinking it should need to be reached that level in the next bull run in 2025 end of December. I'm just keep grabbing because I already make a tons of profit from this Jasmy, and I'm going to grab again, accumulating this coin because my target, which is almost around 1 million Jasmy, but it's overvalued right now because I already put a huge amount of fund in a spell token. I already grabbed a 2 million spell token. If it reach 1 cent, then I'm going to sell it. So at least I have a 50% fund for to grabbing Jasmy, almost 1 million. So I have to manage my portfolio first of all. This is a crazy insane. And if you're new in the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe, do some comment for YouTube, share with your family and friend, and hit the subscribe button, guys. And there is a join button. Join it. It's motivated me